Okay, everybody, as you can see, we've reassembled the GG-1. We're going to put some power on, and we've got one lead attached, so we're going to see. Yep, works fine. Let's put a little more juice. See, it's got directional lighting, and that goes fine. If we switch polarity, send the train the other way, the light to the right should go on. Yep. All right, so that's all good. Now, that being said and accomplished, great. But back in the shade because it's hot. There's I'll shift this back out into the sun. So, of course, I had to mention the gremlins, and the gremlins did appear. This old plastic shell cracked right down in there. Of course, a nice blue paint and everything. So that needs to be repaired. Now I can use this welding liquid. It may leak through, but it's the best seal. And then I can patch it behind with this super thin styrene plastic so that it's a strong bond and it won't interfere with anything. So I'll do that off camera, then we'll take a look. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.